Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today we're cleaning the house. So I made a list, check the time, and I'm going for an hour. So here we go, just tidying up the laundry room real quick, switching over the laundry. I like doing the laundry first. Most of the time when I'm trying to do a lot of cleaning at once, I'll try to do the laundry first, and then I just feel super productive because it's washing while I'm doing other things. So then I'm just tidying it up, putting away any food that's out, appliances, any knickknacks or random objects in my house. And then I'll condense the dishes down into one area and wipe down the counters, put away any dishes that are dry, wash the dirty dishes, and then put the next load of dishes away. And there you go. That's how we accomplish the kitchen. Okay, so time check 2:05, marking a couple things off of the list. Next, we're picking up shoes. Anybody else have shoes laying all around their house? They're wiping down the refrigerator because the little hands get marks all over the place. I know I'm not alone in this, right, moms? Then we're giving the floor a good sweep. Man, a lot of dirt comes in my back door, so having to sweep a lot. We're going to be getting a rug pretty soon, but right now, we're sweeping a lot. Doesn't it feel nice to mark things off of your list? Feels so good. I wish I could sweep this fast in real life. Okay, another time check, 2:18. When I do the bathrooms, I usually do the mirror first, then the counter, then the toilet, then the floor. I just about always do it in that progression. I think in the next bathroom I did the floor first, but usually that's how I do things. Does anybody else use toilet paper to clean their toilet? I feel like maybe that's not normal, but I like being able to flush down all the gross stuff. I give the rugs a nice wash too. Done with bathroom 1. So here we go, just a repeat of the steps before. I guess I did do the mirror first and then the counter, and then I did the sweeping and then I did the bathroom. But Normally I try to work from top to bottom, left to right. There we go. It took about an hour and I got everything done except for one thing, and that was mopping. So mopping will have to wait for another time, but I'm pretty happy with everything that got accomplished. Thank you for joining me. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!